At this point, you have a basic understanding of what an access token is. You've also seen how to register your application with the Microsoft Identity Platform by using Azure Active Directory. Now we're going to learn about how to retrieve an access token, so your team can then take it, use it, and then build out a customer application. Now, token interaction can be challenging if you don't use a library to abstract away the protocol details, validation, token caching, and security. Fortunately, you can use a library called Microsoft Authentication Library, or MSAL, to simplify this process. MSAL enables developers to acquire tokens from the Microsoft Identity Platform to authenticate users and access secured web APIs like Microsoft Graph. MSAL is also available in other platforms such as .NET, iOS, Android, and more.